Hey everybody, welcome to Outdoor Inspirations. We're professionals. We're going to show you tips and tricks to help keep you inspired outdoors. My name's Kevin Fontaine, and we're going to show you a video today that explains some nice alternatives to traditional path lighting. I've got something cool to show you. All right, so everybody's heard of traditional outdoor landscape pathway lighting, such as this China hat Pathlight here. So Garden Light has created some really unique, modern, technical solutions to provide the same pathway lighting, but at a much smaller, more modern scale. And I'm holding in my hand the P0, and it's such an amazing little dollop of a fixture. So small and so compact, and what that does is it gets away from this vertical element that you see going through a landscape lighting design, and it brings it down, helps modernize the area, helps clean up the area, so you can really have some really nifty clean-cut areas, but provide a solution for pathway lighting. You know, the P0, the P3 is two great solutions that you can add. And you know, as far as finishes go, they'll come in architectural bronze, they'll come in black, they'll come in full-on brass, and even a silver finish. And back to, real quick, traditional path lighting, one thing I will say, it is beautiful and it's timeless, but one thing is it can get in the way, and it can get in the way of dog leashes, kids hitting the balls, heck, you coming out with a little brewski in your hand and trip over these things. Lawnmowers love these, etc. They're not a bad thing. It's just that some people need alternatives. And Garden Light LED has some great modern solutions here. You know, as far as Kelvin color, you have a nice wide variety of Kelvin choices, and they are standards like 2700, 3000. These are your warm whites. And then you can go a little bit crisper, more modern, clear Kelvin 5000. They even come in static colors. Check them out on their website. We'll put a link below. You can see all about the specifications, etc., and colors available. The other thing is, you know, the P0, it only uses 1 watt of power. And that's just really amazing. It really puts out a lot of light for just 1 watt of usage. This will deliver 115 lumen output. So that's a lot of punch for such a small fixture. And then the P3 is 2 watts of power usage, and it delivers about 160 lumens of output. You know, wattage versus lumen is two separate things. You know, so wattage is the consumption of energy, lumens is the actual output, almost a physical output for a fixture specification. And that's what we use to design with, is the lumen. All right, so great fixtures, and we are going to show you how these look at night. We're looking at the P3 here, and as you can see, it only stands about 4 or 5 inches tall out of the ground, and it really provides a nice little punch over that curb edging, which is very popular these days, as well as containment of mulch. And you're seeing a nice 120-degree beam spread. This happens to be 3000 Kelvin color. You can go more warm, buttery with 2700, or even amber if you want to go real buttery. But you can see it's a very nice output. It provides a great solution. It provides that lighting that we need for safe stepping. As we look now, we're looking at the P0. It's a shorter fixture. It only stands about 2 to 3 inches tall, and it's still providing a nice wide spread. You get a 120-degree spread, and you can see it's still jumping over even this curbing that we had installed, and it's still providing a very nice wash for that area. So when you need an alternative solution to traditional path lighting, please check out Garden Light LED and their website. They have even more modern pathway solutions than the P3 and the P0 to look at. Thank you, and please comment. Please give us some more ideas of what you would like to see to stay inspired outdoors. And thanks to all our subscribers so far. We're just gaining momentum. We love everyone. We love people to really help us all stay inspired as we do landscape and lighting projects together. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video.